Hi, today is lesson 10 for the list training series. So in lesson 1 and lesson 9, we cover the basic cybersecurity attacking methods. So in this lesson onwards, we will discuss something about scanning tools as well as web penetration testing. Uh, so when we're talking about scanning tools, then we definitely will look at those Nessus and Qualys scanner. So Nessus scanner, we have professional version. So here is a screen for the professional version. So people use Nessus to scanning network. So we will do the basically the Nessus scan will cover the host discovery as well as network scan. So let's start with our training for the Nessus. By the way, the lesson 1 to lesson 9 training videos have been sent to every student's email box. So please check with your email box. So first step we can do by create a new folder. Say for example we can choose training, then create a folder. So you can see the training folder appear in the left span of the Nessus professional version. Then we can do the host discovery first. So you click the new scan button. So we can choose a name, for example, test. Let's say first test one. Then we can choose our new folder, for example, training folders. Then we should choose targets. So normally we can put let's say the subnet, for example. So in my case, I choose local subnet. /24. And basically we don't currently we don't do any schedule, so we just immediately start. Then discovery. We can leave for example the default parameters. For scanning, also we can choose a default port range. For assessment tab, we can leave the default because we don't want to do any complex setting, for example, malware and brute force attack. Next, advanced tab. So normally we will see for your general setting for enable safe